these two big lobsters. We'll grill the tails and keep the heads for bait. We don't know if the pond baited with lobster heads and fish yesterday has caught anything. Let's grill these lobsters and hermit crabs for today's breakfast. After eating, we'll go check the pond. Xiaoli, I'll leave you to grill the seafood. Brothers, while Xiaoli is grilling the food, let's upgrade our herbal pot. This way, making the broth later will be much easier. Mingzha, the seafood is grilled. Hey, great. I just finished here too. It's almost New Year. It should be snowing in the northeast, right? I wonder how my beloved car is doing. Hurry up and eat, Mingzha, or it'll all get cold. Let's eat quickly and then hurry to Tao Keng. I've cooked everything. There's nothing left. Okay, let's go to Tao Keng now. Come on. Hey, buddy. Look, there's a big one down there. Come down quickly. Let's hurry and block this water stream. Why does the water keep increasing as we dig? Stop digging in the water for now. It seems like the tide is coming in. Let's directly break open the goods. Literally that big platform, down here. Right, Mingzha? How did you move that car? It snowed at my place, and my wife has to pick up the kids every day, which is inconvenient. I'm planning to get her a car. Sure, it's not too expensive. I don't have that big of a budget. Then just get a second-hand one first. Okay, I'll download it and take a look when I get back. Oh my, such a big grouper. Let's take it back. Shaolin, let's head back first. Brother Ning, hurry up and leave. It seems like there is something down there. Come quickly. What is it? Wow, such big lobsters. They must have been dropped by a passing fishing boat. Grill the crabs and small fish too. Let's save the remaining octopus for a midnight snack. Brothers, this lobster tail needs to be grilled a bit longer. Let's eat a crab first. Wow, this crab really doesn't have much meat. Wow. But the taste is still quite fresh. Hey. It's quite tender. Then you should eat more. I'll start with a lobster. So hot. Wow, the meat is snow white. It's almost New Year. It should be snowing in the northeast, right? I wonder how my beloved car is doing. Hurry up and eat, Mingzha, or it'll all get cold. Let's eat quickly and then hurry to Tao Keng. I've